guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a pretty hectic video because I have my massive epic Christmas food shop haul for you guys today. There is a lot here. I think I spent slightly more than last year, and just a bit of a disclaimer, it's going to be a long video and we have about £300 worth of food and alcohol and drinks and treats here, and I'm just going to get started. I hope you all enjoy it. Again, a bit of a disclaimer, not bragging, you guys just like to see what we get for Christmas each and every year and what you can expect to see in my upcoming What I Eat in Days and vlogs and all that kind of thing. And I'm actually vlogging today as well, so if that's gone live, I'll link it on the screen so you can actually see this all in action. Come to the supermarket with us. But yeah, I'm just going to get started. I do have a little helper with me today, if he'll come on camera, and hopefully we can get double the bags done in double the time. So I have Andrew here, most of you know him from the vlogs, but if you don't, Andrew is the husband. So again, no particular order, everything is just kind of bagged up as it is. There is a combination here of Aldi food and also Morrisons as well. And again, it's all together, so it's quite difficult. Normally I would split it off, and I will try to do that. We're going to start with the Morrison stuff first, so let's get to it. So for those of you that don't know, this is Andy, my husband. So what do we have here? We've got 4 bottles of Coke. We actually have my mum staying with us for Christmas as well. So yeah, 4 bottles of Coke Zero.
And lemonade.
And Schweppes lemonade. And what's that there?
We've got more of these somewhere, but we've got some orange juice as well.
Morrison's bag number 2. What have we got?
Let's have a look. Steak and ale mince pie. And mini pies.
Mini pies. Those will be your birthday buffet on Christmas Eve.
Delicious.
That's what these look like, guys. They look delicious. What else have we got?
Some of your special crisp.
Special crisps here. We have 2 flavours. We have a hoisin duck, which again I've never tried before, and also a teriyaki chicken ridge crisp, which I'm partial to. We also have some spaghetti here. This is just the regular pasta spaghetti. We have some chopped tomatoes. I love this brand. It's my favourite brand of chopped tomato, and I honestly do think it makes a difference, this brand. So if you can get a hold of it, I would definitely suggest it. We got 3 boxes. Now this may seem extreme, but we don't want to have to go out for the next 3-4 weeks even. So this is reflected in the amounts we picked up. So we have some Chicago Town pizza. We have a chicken club, which is new. The 4 cheese and the pepperoni. These are mainly for Layla and I. Harrison and Andy don't eat these. Andrew obviously is lactose intolerant, and Harrison doesn't really care for them too much. Okay. Speaking of, we have Andrew's lactose-free butter that we get. We also have some cocktail sausages. Again, I do a buffet for Andrew's birthday every year, and even though it's just us and my mum, I still wanted to make the effort. We also have some KFC style popcorn chicken that the kids will love, I'm sure. Laughing cow cheese, some condensed caramel, which I'm going to be using to make a salted caramel and brandy ice cream. It's epic. We've had it before. It's delicious. So I got another can so we can make that over the festive season. We also have some honey here and some Baby Bell.
We've got some nice tumblers for when I have my Jack Daniels. Lovely.
They were £1.50. They were reduced to £1.50 each. So we got 2 of those, and then we got a different style, like a gin, like a champagne saucer, or like a martini glass or gin glass.
Martini, is it?
Martini, but we're going to be using them for gin. We don't really drink martini, but these are just cocktail glasses. Again, they were reduced to £1.50 each. So we picked up 2 of those and 2 of those. So they're going to be heading to the wash in a moment. Next bag from Morrisons, we have some peri peri chicken at Pringles. We also have some bird's eye chicken burgers as well. We might come across more and duplicates as we go. We have some fish fingers, 2 packs of chicken noodles, more chicken burgers, some french fries, apple juice. We also have 2 packs of pasta, the shell kind and the pen. And we have a fresh orange juice, another pack of super noodles, and finally in this bag we have a Holland potato and meat pie.
Okay, got 7 Yorkshire puddings, 6 Yorkshire puddings.
Yeah, I was going to say 7.
Yeah. Pokemon birthday card.
That's for Layla's birthday from Harrison. She loves Pokemon.
Something special for you.
Krispy Kreme, a Santa donut, which I think has seen better days. We'll have to have a look at that later.
A chocolate sponge.
That's got like a whipped cream in the middle. I'm very much looking forward to having a slice of that tonight.
We've got honey roast ham. And some corned beef.
Lovely.
And we have some
more Yorkshire puddings. We're actually having a leg of lamb this week, so a cooked chicken for our lunch when we finally get round to it.
Some festive crumpets.
Festive crumpets, because these are actually tree shaped. How cute. We thought for Boxing Day they'd be really fun.
something for me.
A baton, a tiger tail. It's really nice and soft actually.
And is it a farmhouse loaf?
Yeah, so that is what I use for my grilled cheese sandwiches. Delicious, nice and soft. So that is everything from the bread bag. Still on Morrisons bags, we have some Method kitchen cleaner. This is our favourite kitchen cleaner. We also have, now I got this in mind for Andrew's little gathering that I'm doing of just us, but we got some mini loaded potato skins which look delicious. We got some satay chicken lollipops which Layla really enjoys. We also got some breaded chicken, that's just for a quick meal one night. We also have here some hot and spicy chicken wings which will definitely be for me and my mum. We have some raspberries here. We also have a bottle of tonic water. Now we have some gin to try tonight from a brand that we're really excited about, so we thought we'd pick up both lemonade and tonic. We're not normally a fan of tonic, but we thought we'd check it out and see the situation. So we only got 2 of those. One's in another bag somewhere. We also have some blackberries as well. 2 bottles of beer for Andrew for movie night tonight. They're just a Heineken beers. We also have some bananas as well. Some eggs, because I plan to do quite a lot of baking this week with it being Andrew's birthday cake, that kind of thing. We have some satsumas or clementines and some oranges as well. You guys know I'm very obsessed with orange. Steak seasoning, a jar of chicken paste, a nice, I was going to say knob of ginger, like knob of butter, but that just doesn't work out because of the shape of this. It's a no-go. I have some fresh ginger. We also have some pink lady apples, a couple of loose Bramley apples as well that I use for crumbles and pies alike. We also have chicken paste and a Hollands meat pie as well.
I have more Pringles, cheese and onion this time. 2 lots of Nescafe lattes.
Mum loves them. She's absolutely obsessed. She's more obsessed than I am.
I think that's the only reason she's coming, isn't it?
Right. We have some Ariel.
Not really, Carol.
Not really.
Listening.
Yeah, because she watches our videos. Yes, we have some Ariel all-in-one tablets, some fabric softener. It was the bottle of this that made me buy it. It's only the Morrisons. Oh, normally we get Comfort, but I thought I'll give it a go because I love the bottle so much. And this is the mango and papaya.
Shampoo and conditioner.
This is the Garnier, is it the almond? Yeah, the almond.
Yeah. Polynesian Paradise Sweet Peony. Peony.
Peony. Peony. Peony.
Shower wash. We didn't get bubble bath, did we?
No. Tortellini. 2 packs, 4 cheese.
And we have
Bird's Eye
burgers.
Delish.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
And more apple juice.
More apple juice.
More tonic water. Couple of ready-made mash just for ease.
Yeah, super handy them, aren't they?
Yeah. Some Haribo food, sweets for tonight.
That's movie
Giant
night.
Strawberries, yeah, absolutely. Some beans.
Wouldn't be a shop if we didn't have beans.
A little bit of spiced rum.
Spiced rum. Andrew's picked this up. It's the Captain Morgan Spice Rum. I've never tried rum before, but I'm going to give it a go and see what I think. I know you can bake a lot with rum. And then finally, we also have some plasters in this bag as well. Because there's so much here, we're trying to alternate who has still each bag because there's just so much. We have some popcorn for movie night tonight. This is the sweet popcorn, more pasta. We also have more French fries for the freezer. A different flavour of crisp. This is the Scottish mature cheddar and onion crisp. I love crisps with my sandwiches, so I'm always picking up nice flavours of crisps. Vanilla extract, more pasta. We must have been really running low. Like this morning we cleaned out the entire fridge, freezer and store cupboards, so we knew exactly what we needed. We have some Aero yogurts because Layla wanted to try chocolate mousse. She's never tried it before, or she's never liked it before, so we thought we'd give it a go. We also have some lactose-free yogurt for a curry and another pack of chicken super noodles. I've had to have a bit of cherry chocolate orange just to fortify myself. So we're on to Aldi now. I have pizza here. This is a spicy chicken arrabbiata with Induja spice, sorry. Bin liners, bleach, red grapes, Maltesers, red onions, jars of the tomato mascarpone that Harrison loves. These are interesting. This is from their Christmas collection. These are the miniature steak and ale, chicken, ham and mini pies that I think Andrew will really like, so we picked up some of those. We also have a Prosecco, one of many. 3 bags of the basmati microwavable rice, which is really delicious and ideal for a quick fix. Pigs in blankets, obviously obligatory at Christmas. 10 mini beef Wellingtons. Again, these are little pastries, like pasties that I think Andy will really like on his birthday. Garlic bread. Some Christmassy macarons. These look really lovely. Again, from their Christmas collection. These are miniature macarons, but we've squashed a couple. I feel like there was bound to be some casualties in this haul. We have some fresh British extra thick double cream. Plant cream as well, so Andrew doesn't have to miss out. Bacon, a microwavable tuna pasta bake because the busyness is about to hit us. Another rice, hot dogs, and a pack of garlic as well.
Get the booze out. Prosecco, rosé Prosecco.
Lovely.
We've got here brandy cream.
Delish.
Some muffins. Oven bottom muffins. And we've got a couple of t-shirts, just like cheap t-shirts for the kids to knock about around the house in. A Pac-Man one and a Sonic the Hedgehog one.
These were like £2.50, weren't they? They weren't expensive at all, but we thought, you know, just for mucking about, they're...
Or sleeping in,
they're ideal.
Yeah.
An aubergine. Yep, cool. Love aubergine.
We got this, went out on a limb with that one. Blood orange and peach gin.
Yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to trying this. I don't drink that often, but I thought I would just try a few new things and see if anything tickled my fancy.
Tomato and basil.
Tomato and basil sauce here.
Couple of milk chocolate digestives packets for Harrison. Mainly Harrison. Layla doesn't really eat too much. That and some blue blocks.
For the loo.
For the loo.
Blue for the loo.
Blue for loo.
Only 2.5 bags left now, guys. Not too long. So we also have some breaded cod, custard. We also have some chicken mini breast fillets. I use them for curry and I also use them for doing the kids, not pigs in blankets, homemade chicken nuggets. Some diced lamb, because I thought it'd be nice to either have a lamb casserole over the holidays or a lamb curry. More pigs in blankets. Again, can you really have enough pigs in blankets? We have some steak mince. Another pack of the thigh fillets. I didn't realise we picked up 2. Oh no, we have 1 breast mini fillets, and then these are the ones that I use for the kids' chicken nuggets because they're a bit fattier. We also have some back bacon as well. I got this. This is just for cake batter really, and it's this really nice quality spatula with a marble top and a rose gold. It's actually really substantial and quite heavy. I really like it. It was about £2, and I thought I'll get that because when I'm scraping cake batter out of my big mixer, the spatulas I have are quite small, and that one's going to be ideal. We also have some tuna pasta bake ready meals, 2 of those, another pack of steak mince, another pack of custard, 1 more packet of the chicken mini fillets, and also a large chicken for roasting. And then finally in this bag we have 1 of 2, because I know I picked up another one of these, of the garlic infused olive oil. This is something I didn't see last year. This is a brioche star roll with a vanilla cream filling. Me and my mum will love that, so I thought I'd pick it up. We have 3 bottles of the lactose, in fact no, we have 4 cartons of lactose free. We really can't afford to run out of this over Christmas and New Year, or Andrew cannot have cups of tea, which would be a travesty. We have more jars of tomato mascarpone, sauce for Haribo, some olive oil which was infused in garlic. I've got 2 of those, another plant cream, and a bottle of milk. And finally we have this last bag on the bottom, and we are completely done. We have some cheese ball crisps for movie night. We have a loaf of Warburton's toasted bread, a chocolate gatto for Haribo and Layla, another pack of garlic bread, which has been really hard to find recently, some steak flat mushrooms, and then that is everything, guys. The bags are empty, so I'm going to get this put away and I'll let you know what we spent at the end. Another thing from Morrisons we forgot to show is this multi-pack of Cheeto Puffs in the Flaming Hot flavour as well. And some Cushelle toilet roll. And we also forgot to mention this XL pack of Regina kitchen roll. Now these are from Aldi. They were not part of this Christmas shop, but I had to show them because they're Christmassy and we bought them for Christmas. So we have 3 packs of the Christmas chocolate here. We have Quality Street, Celebrations, and we also have Heroes. And also we have 4 bottles of mulled wine in the cupboard, which can't be factored into today's total, but they are what we bought for Christmas. 3 bottles of Bucks Fizz and about another 3 bottles of Prosecco, and that is the total amount of our Christmas shop when it comes to what we bought. I'll now tell you what we spent today in Morrisons and Aldi. And that's everything, guys. So when it comes to Morrisons, we spent a total of £167.44, and in Aldi we spent £118.62. So that is our total spend in each shop. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. I hope you all have the best Christmas. If I don't see you before, or I don't upload, or you don't check in, have the best Christmas and an even better New Year. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already to see a lot of this food consumed in action on my very popular vlogs and what I eat today. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.